Alright, Mr. Austin and Miss Royer, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how to download Screencast-O-Matic and Droidcam to set up recording your own videos and doing screencasts. So you're going to need to type in Screencast-O-Matic. It'll take you to the Screencast-O-Matic website, and you're going to click Start Recording for Free. You're going to click Launch Free Recorder. And I've already done it, but it'll prompt you to do some more things. It'll add Screencast-O-Matic up here. If you look at my cursor at the top right, it'll add it here. So now you can launch it from Google Chrome. And then once you do, it'll give you down here, Mr. Austin, I just showed you, it'll give you this little, it'll be a play symbol. But once you hit play, it'll start recording. So then that's for casting or for recording your screen, but the next one that you'll need is Droidcam. So you'll just type in Droidcam, like right here, and you'll go to dev47apps.com. Alright, and then you'll download Windows Client right here for your computer, and then on your phone, Ms. Royer, you've got an Android, so you'll go to Google Play and download this app, Droidcam. Mr. Austin, you'll go to the Apple Store and download it on your iPhone. So once you get that, it'll show up on your computer like this right here. Now I paid for the Droidcam Pro because I'm going to be doing a lot of videos, so I went ahead and bought the Pro. And the Pro lets you autofocus your camera. So my camera is, I don't have to go in and click focus, and I can do some other things. Like right here, I can zoom in, zoom out, toggle camera flash. Oh, camera's on. Can't really see in the video, but it helps. There's autofocus. There's mirror. Flip it around. Rotate. And then save a picture. And there's some more functions. So you need that to connect your phone to your computer if you want to use your phone as your webcam and mic, which I'm doing because it works way better than the webcam and mic on my laptop.